iPhone SE 2 completely copies the design of the iPhone 8, but without one detail. The publication has published a set of informal visualizations on which you can see iPhone SE 2. The author of these renders combined all the information that popped up about the iPhone SE 2 and based on this showed 6 types of color solutions. iPhone SE 2 in different colors? As you can see, the photo of the iPhone SE 2 still inherits the design of the iPhone 8. Only one camera on the glass back panel with the Apple logo in the center and a metal frame. Front panel with a 4.7-inch display and Touch ID bottom. Everything in appearance resembles the iPhone 8. But the smartphone lacks a cult color, champagne gold. As for the configuration, the iPhone SE 2 will come with an A13 processor and 3GB of memory. 1GB less than the iPhone 11. The storage capacity starts at 64GB. And the initial price is $399. The version with 128GB of storage will be $50 more expensive. The iPhone SE 2 is expected to be released in the first quarter of this year. In the past few years, Apple has become accustomed to holding press conferences in March. So the likelihood of launching in the first quarter of this year is relatively high.